All right, here's the operations video on this Hyundai 300 LC-9. All right, guys, as you see it, the functions of the bucket and the boom and the stick all work as they're supposed to. Tracks obviously work, 2-speed on the tracks. It did seem to rotate all the way through. It did feel a little crunchy, so I'm not sure what that may be. They may or may not have installed that deal correctly. Not sure. But anyway, if you're interested in this machine, give us a call, 972-666-9501. Again, this is on the Hyundai 300 LC-9 with the oxide hydraulics and a 48-inch bucket, guys, and a nice undercarriage. So if you're interested in this machine, again, give us a call. Appreciate you very much.